Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Vimeo on-demand integration for video post-production, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To start, log into your Vimeo account. Navigate to the dashboard by clicking on your profile icon. Locate the settings option in the drop-down menu and click on it. In the settings menu, find and select the billing section. Scroll down to the Vimeo on-demand integration option. Click on Get Started to initiate the integration process. Next, you'll need to connect your Vimeo account to your preferred video post-production tool. Choose the post-production tool you want to integrate from the available options. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection, which may involve logging into the third-party service. Ensure you allow all necessary permissions for the integration to function properly. Once connected, return to the Vimeo dashboard. Go to the video section and select a video you wish to use with the integration. Click on the Edit button for the selected video. In the video settings, scroll to the Vimeo On Demand preferences. Enable the option for Vimeo On Demand to make your video available for purchase or rental. Set the pricing and distribution settings according to your preferences. Review all changes to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Finally, save the changes to finalize the integration and settings. Your Vimeo account is now successfully authorized for on-demand integration with your post-production tool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.